This morning, the radar continues to be really quiet for Southwest Florida. It won't be until this afternoon where we see that 50% chance of a scattered shower or storm. Like yesterday, a few showers up along the Panhandle. Otherwise, we are dry. As we roll from this morning all the way through lunchtime, a few passing clouds. Dry. By the time we get between 4 and 6 o'clock is our best shot to pick up some showers and storms. Those will linger there through sunset before tapering off. I know some of the storms yesterday packed quite a bit of lightning, especially there along 75 out towards Lehigh and Gateway. Now our rainfall needs, we didn't get much in the rain gauge at Page Field, so we saw the numbers now grow to almost 14 and a quarter behind for the year. These scattered showers and storms will be around today. Hopefully we can get some in areas that didn't receive the rainfall at this time yesterday. Now, as far as the winds, it's light. It'll be out of the east today, 5 to 10, and our temperatures are very, very warm. Our average is 75. We're at 79 at Page Field, 82 at the Naples Airport, and as we check in at Punta Gorda, it's one of our cooler spots at 76. Once again today, we'll go up around 94 degrees, factor in the high humidity, and it's going to feel like the triple digits. Some locations getting as high as 105 to 106 in Collier. That reading of 94 would actually tie a record. That would tie a mark going back to 2010, and that would be the second straight day of tying records. So as we look at the days ahead, every afternoon here for today and tomorrow, we have an increased chance of rain. I've actually bumped the rain chance up for Wednesday to about 50% just due to some of that moisture still lingering around. And all eyes are still on the tropics. We have a very large major hurricane, Hurricane Lee, winds of 115, and it is slow, very slow right now. It is expected to start to make a turn towards the north and eventually will cut between Bermuda and the U.S. mainland, and eventually is going to bring large surf and heavy winds here to parts of the Canadian Maritime and even parts of Cape Cod and Maine, and this will happen here over the weekend. Now, Hurricane Margot, it was forecast to strengthen to a hurricane overnight, and indeed it did, moving north at 13. This one is not going to be an issue. This one will safely move there between the Azores and Bermuda in the North Atlantic and weaken to a tropical storm on Sunday. One other area coming off the coast of Africa here, it has a 70% chance of developing. The long-range computer models are indicating a named storm here in the days ahead, and that would just add to Margot and Lee. We are just past the peak of the season on September the 10th. We have a long way to go through a busy month in the tropics in September. As far as our extended forecast, we'll keep scattered showers and storms around. Looks like the rain chance is going to come up to 60, if not 70% here at times over the weekend, where we'll keep temperatures there in the low 90s.